Hey there! My name is Marie and I'm going to make the Leah pattern by Fibre Mood. It's a boiler suit. If you're interested in the whole process of making this, please stay tuned. Let's go! Very exciting news! The fabric arrived and look at this fabric. It's a little bit stretchy, which is something that I wanted because I want this boiler suit to be as comfortable as humanly possible, so I can basically live in it. Right, I have my materials, I have my pattern. All that's left to do is cut out the pattern pieces. Hello, welcome back. I'm basically all ready to go. I will just start sewing. We'll see how far we get. It's the evening here, so I have to turn on some lights, so the quality is a bit weird, but you know, we'll make do with what we have. Right, so it's been a few days because life has kind of gotten away with everything. We had family time, I started a new job and all of these things. So I haven't worked on my jumpsuit quite as much. I did do some things that I didn't film, so let me show you how far we've gotten so far. This is the front panel. I had some trouble putting in the zipper, but in the end I'm quite happy with how it turned out. The pockets are also in. Yeah, so the front is well on its way. And this is the back. I'm really trying to finish every seam as nice as possible. So that does mean that it's taking a bit longer. And then as you can see, there's still a whole heap of stuff that needs to be sewn together. So tonight I will take some time for myself and enjoy some more sewing. I am really enjoying the slower pace of sewing, really taking my time to make nice finishes, to press in between stages, which I don't always do. Alright, let's see what we get up to and how far we get tonight. I've been tinkering around with the fit of the boiler suit a bit more because the fit just wasn't very great. The crotch was very low. I also found that the waistline was just a tad too low. And then I was thinking, why don't I just raise everything up by lifting up the shoulder seams? So this is what I've done now. I have pinned a new row of stitch lines on the shoulders, so it's 2 centimeters from the original seam line, and this way everything kind of just lifts up a little bit and it seems to be fitting much better. So that's what I'm going to do now. Everything is pinned and let's hope it works. Hello! It's a few days later and I'm almost done with the boiler suit. I am currently finishing some of the seams. This right here is the sleeve. I finished the edge with bias binding so that when I roll up the sleeves it has a nice finish. I didn't go all the way through because I didn't have enough of it, but yeah, the rest I just finished with the zigzag stitch. Now I'm going to finish the cuff and then I'm almost done. it's time to finish the raw edges of the pant legs. To help me with that, I have a handy dandy little foot. It has a guiding metal here so that the fabric glides in smoothly. It doesn't cut off the excess fabric like a real overlocker would do. That's okay. This kind of helps me to have a nice and even zigzag stitch. Bobbin. I've been sewing for a little while, almost finishing everything, and I was getting to the end and I realized there was a problem with the color. I didn't catch all the layers, I tried to fix it, I failed. I don't really want to talk about it because it's making me very angry. So in the end I decided to just start over with the color, cut off the old color, cut out new color pieces so I could sew them in. And yeah, I'm doing that right now. I'm also running out of thread, so it's all very nerve-wracking. Yeah, I'm ready to have this finished now. The color is now nice and neat how I wanted it to be in the first place. So as always, it was super much worth it to take it all apart and to start over, even though you kind of try not to have to do that. And if you can see here, I'm basically out of thread, so perfect timing. It's been a long make, spread out over a few days. All that's left to do is sew a little tag so that it's officially part of the taupe collection. It is the next day and guess what? Surprise! It's ready! And I'm so happy with it! Last night I couldn't really be happy because I was just so tired, and now I'm extremely pleased. It fits super well, it's extremely comfortable, I can do all the movement in it. Let me show you so you can see it as well. Time for a little debrief, I think. Autumn has truly arrived in Belgium. Temperatures dropped, the leaves are turning, and I've had a few opportunities already to wear my new boiler suit. And I can safely say it is as comfortable as I hoped it would be. In terms of the pattern, I'm a big fan of Fibre Mood because I love the instructions. I think the drawings, the technical drawings, are very helpful as well. So to me, this is definitely a win. I think this pattern will get used more than once for sure. So that's it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm still very new to this, so leave me feedback to tell me how you liked it. If it's autumn where you are, enjoy it, get cozy, get a nice hot chocolate or something. Make yourself a nice boiler suit to keep you cozy. If you're interested in my sewing adventures, you can always subscribe, and hopefully there will be a new video soon. Happy sewing, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!